So the negation of greater than or equal is less than. 1000 you don't negate, and if you negate and, it means becomes or. Greater than or equal, less than or equal becomes greater than if you negate this one, and 2000. So not between 1000 and 2000 is equivalent to salary less than 1000 or salary greater than 2000. Is null, it returns true if the column is null. So if P common PCT is null, this is true. Commission PCT is not null when it returns true if it contains some value. For example, commission, here's the commission. So commission PCT here is null. This is true or no? Yes, this is null. It's null. So commission PCT is null. It means it's true because it's null. But if I say to you, last name is not null, this is true or false? This is true. Why? Because king is not null. There is king. There is some value. You see, all of them has some value. So it's not null. This is false. So the value last name is not null. The output is false because no, it's not null. We have some data. Okay. We are here. So this is clear. Is null, returns true if commission is null. Commission PCT is not null, returns true if really the commission PCT is not null. In. So it's list of verify that an attribute belongs to a list of values. For example, salary in 1900, 1500. This is equivalent to salary equal 1000 or salary equal to 900 or salary equal to 1000. Salary in, if I say salary not in, you just negate this. You say not for this. Not for equal is different, doesn't equal 1000. Or the negation of or is and. Salary equal 9000. So the salary, the negation of equal, not equal to 900. The negation of or is and. Salary equal, the negation of this is salary doesn't equal, not equal to 1500. This is easy to note. Here we are talking now about special comparison, also operators like. Okay. Normally like match expressions. You can say match expression not like this pattern or match expression like this pattern. So this one time we can use not like one word, and other time we should use only like this pattern. Okay, and here you can use the escape character. We will have an example here. So these special wildcards, we call these wildcards, allow you to compare a string with a character pattern. Wildcards are, the first one is percentage sign. When you see this, it means any string of characters can be 0 or 1 or 2 or 100 or more. So any string of characters, maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2 characters, maybe more. When you see one underscore, it means any character, one character. If you see two underscores, any two characters, A, B, X, Y, Z, T, R, F, any two characters. If you see five underscore, it means any five characters. The limit is five, exactly five. If you see two, exactly two characters, but any characters. If you see this parentheses or brackets, any character within the specified range, for example, A dash F, it means that, or defined example, A, B, C, D, E, F. So any character within this range. So can be A, can be B, can be C, can be D, can be E, can be F. Any character. Okay? Not, it means not AF, it means any character not in this range. So shouldn't equal to A, shouldn't equal to B, to B, C, to D, to E, shouldn't equal to F. Okay? This is very important. Now we have this query. Any character not within. We are talking one character, but any. Not two characters, not three characters. Select first name, last name from employees, where first name like, the first name should be like, start with capital J, then any character of this range. What does this mean, any character? So the J should be followed either by O or E or U. Not OU, not OU, not EU, not OU, OE. JO is accepted, JE is accepted, JU is accepted, but JOU no, because we are talking about any character, one character. Okay? Percentage, it means any character here, any characters, any string of characters. We don't care about the rest. It could be 0 characters here, it could be 1, it could be 100 characters. Okay? This is how we can use with like. Wildcards with like. Okay? So to use a wild card as a regular character, imagine that this one, we want to add percentage, or we want to add underscore. How we can use it? Must be enclosed in the brackets or preceded by an escape character defined by escape option. For example, imagine that I want to add 50 and percent, or I am searching for 50% within a table. Or I imagine I want to search, for example, here we are searching for 50% discount. So if we are using here, imagine that I want okay. No, this is to save here. Okay, imagine that we want this. To find this, how we can write this? And as you see this, it means that any character here, any string of characters, 0 or more, right? So to write this, and we want to search for this, we should understand these. 50, to add this as percentage, not as wildcard here, which means any string of zeros, or we should add just the backslash. Okay, so the backslash percentage, the first one, it means that really the percentage, the 100%, as a symbol, not as a wildcard here. Whereas the second percentage here, we didn't add slash second percentage. This second percentage will be like this. It means any string of zeros or more characters. So it means zeros or many characters. So space is a character, for example. So 50 must start with 50. This is here. We started with 50. So we are writing here as this escaping and wild characters. 50 here, we should write 50. Must be start with 50 slash percentage. So this is escaped percentage, means lateral percentage, means that this is like the lateral percentage, which means 100%, not as this wildcard. This is not wildcard. When we add slash percentage, it doesn't become wildcard. It become like the percentage, a classical percentage or lateral percentage symbol. The second symbol here, the second percentage symbol, it means wildcard here. So this one means any character after this percentage. So any character, the space is a character, and all these this count. Okay, this is an example. Here the arithmetic operation, this is the order of evaluation, this way. Operator arithmetic, first one, concatenation, second, comparison, is null or is not null, like or not like, in or not in, all of them at the same level. Okay, so you can start with this, with this, with this, with this, as you want. Not between or between, the same, not and or. Or is the final one. That join. Here we should open your head very well about the join. So normally we use a join in order to retrieve data from different tables. Join, it means to link, to connect tables. So we join tables to search for data from multiple tables. And as you remember, we have explained it today that we can join tables using column names and specifically we use primary keys and foreign keys. We can join tables using